Edgar Lungu buried tomorrow. Nobody viewing. Cameras restricted. Sarabana mashoko ari kuda panguva ino ari kunzi aiwa Edgar Lungu ari kuchengetwa muzuva ramangwana aiwa munyika yeSouth Africa. But vanhu vari ma questions ekuti why is it kuri kunzi hakuna body viewing and hakuna macameras anofanira kunge achiuya achitora mavidhio. Sarabana mashoko amudanyirwa panguva ino ndobva subscribe like on the bell kuti munazimu ai inomudanyira achiti on Wednesday morning June 25 2025 the Opposition Patriotic Front PF and the family of former Zambian President Edgar Lungu prepare to conduct a strictly private burial in South Africa. The Zambian government remains notably silent. Sources close to the arrangement say no public body view will take place and access to photographs will be restricted. Only a small circle is expected to access the body. Among those flown in for the private rites in Archbishop Alec Banda, a long-term clerical ally of the PF during its time in the government. PF secures grave for 66,000 rand near Winnie Mandela's resting place. The burial plot, reportedly costing 16,000 South African rands, is located near the grave of South African icon Winnie Madikizela Mandela. That detail, while symbolic, underscores the sharp divergence from Zambia's state burial traditions. If executed, this will mark the first time in Zambia's democratic history that a former head of state is buried outside the country and crucially not at Embassy Park, Zambia's presidential burial site, where Lungu's grave remains unoccupied. No government statement has been issued. Embassy Park has not been declared closed. There is no published burial program, no military parade, no public tribute, just speculation and screenshots. The PF confidence stems from a South African media statement issued Monday by Minister of International Relations Ronald Lamola. While widely interpreted as a green light for burial, the statement is both respectful and careful. Thomas Warubuda panguva ino zviri kuitika aiwa kuZambia neSouth Africa panguva ino kuchionekwa kunzi aiwa the PF party neThe Lungu family vari kunyanya kuonekwa kunzi vari kukoshesa aiwa kufa kwakaita Edgar Lungu as if pamwe ndiye atanga kufa, vachiomesa zvinhu vachiramba kuti aiwa abheriwe munyika yeZambia. Atudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Penda comment section medu mafungiro enyu. Don't subscribe or like, chit on the bell like.